Is your 2007-2012 Hyundai Veracruz key fob not working as well as it used to? Here are the telltale signs that your key fob battery is dying. Decreased range means you have to be closer to your car for the fob to work. Intermittent function means the fob works sometimes but not others. Complete failure means the fob won't unlock or lock your car at all. Replacing the battery yourself is easy and saves money compared to going to the dealership. This video shows you how. Gather these simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratches, and a new CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. Make sure you have the exact CR2032 battery before proceeding. To open your Hyundai Veracruz key fob, start by locating the seam on the side, usually near the keyring. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam. Carefully twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the fob. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Take note of its orientation, which is usually with the positive side facing up. Now insert the new CR2032 battery in the exact same orientation as the old one. Finally, ensure the battery is securely in place before closing the fob. With the new CR2032 battery installed, align the two halves of the key fob carefully. Make sure the clips and buttons match up properly to avoid misalignment. Snap the two halves firmly back together. You should hear a click and feel the fob become secure. Apply even pressure to ensure proper connection. Inspect the reassembled fob for any gaps between the halves. The fob should feel solid and secure in your hand. If there are gaps, separate and realign the halves. Finally, test all buttons on the key fob to confirm proper reassembly. Press each button and verify the fob responds correctly. If buttons don't work, the fob may need reprogramming. While not always necessary, your Veracruz key fob might need reprogramming after battery replacement. Try this method. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position multiple times in quick succession. If the fob still doesn't work, you may need to visit a dealer. If your Hyundai Veracruz key fob isn't working after battery replacement, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Ensure the positive side faces up in the compartment. Next, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. If corroded, gently clean them with a soft cloth or eraser to ensure good electrical connection. If problems continue, the circuit board might be faulty. This could require professional repair, costing between $80 and $120. Finally, some fobs need reprogramming after battery changes. Visit a dealer for this service, which typically costs around $50. CR2032 batteries contain lithium and should be recycled properly to avoid environmental harm. Don't throw them in the trash. Recycling is essential for these batteries. Many auto parts stores provide convenient battery drop-off points for proper recycling. Proper disposal of these batteries helps protect our environment and prevents hazardous materials from ending up in landfills.